Hey all, Ron here from Military Images, but this time I'm not coming to you with another episode of Life on the Civil War Research Trail. I'm coming with an invitation to join me on a tour of Lincoln assassination sites in Washington, D.C. This is a free tour and it's going to be held on March 8th of 2025. That's just a couple weeks away. You may be wondering why we're doing this tour. Well, for a couple of reasons. One of them is a friend of mine is named Jim Garrett, and Jim is a senior guide and a trainer for a tour company called Unscripted Tours in DC. They do a bunch of different tours around the area, and Jim is a big fan of the channel, and he is also become a friend. He's a really super great guy, and he led us on a tour last year of Arlington National Cemetery. It was rainy, it was cold, but it didn't matter because he shed such amazing light on the cemetery and all of its connections to the Civil War and other events throughout our history. So Jim is going to lead us again, this time a tour of sites related to Abraham Lincoln's assassination, the conspirators. He's going to take us to various sites. It's a walking tour. And I have the information here below, so you don't have to go very far to find it. But the meeting place is at 625 Pennsylvania Avenue, which is the site where Matthew Brady's gallery was located. So we're going to meet there on Saturday, March 8th at 1 p.m. If you are in the DC area and would love to attend, please come by. I'd love to meet you in person and join with you on the tour to have Jim show us and share his knowledge of those key places in DC. The other reason that we're having this event is the timing of it is the same weekend as the DC Photo Show. In fact, it is officially known as the DC Antique Photo, Postcard, and Civil War Shows. It is hosted by Mary Martin, who is a wonderful dealer, very focused on postcards, but she's expanded in recent years to include the Civil War photo collectors. So we'll be out near the Dulles Airport on Sunday, March 9th, looking at photos, buying photos, selling photos. Military Images will be there with a table, and we'll be set up to be able to make scans of your most exciting images in your collection for possible inclusion in future issues. Of course, it's a great time to talk about Civil War photography, about the Civil War, and just hang out. So if you're going to be in town for the Lincoln Assassination Tour on Saturday, see if you can stick around for Sunday for the DC Photo Show. Again, I've got information linked below this video so you can get more information, and my contact information is also listed so you can reach out at any time. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you soon on another episode of Life on the Civil War Research Trail. Take care.